Hello everyone, and today we're going to talk about what's the difference between the words nouns, priest, preacher, and pastor. All of them refer to men of the cloth, but some to women. Well, let's try to find out the difference between them. Priest. Priests you can find in the Anglican Church, in the Episcopal Church, in the Catholic Church, and in the Orthodox churches. In the Orthodox churches and in the Catholic Church, priests can only be men, while in the Anglican and Episcopal churches, priests can be women. What exactly priests do? They perform Holy Communion, confession, baptism. Fine. Well done. Well done with this. To the next one. Preacher. Preachers you can only find in Protestant denominations. And preachers can be both men and women. What exactly they do? Preachers preach, which means to deliver messages, sermons, and so on. And we got only pastor. Now, remember this one, that all the pastors are preachers, but not all the preachers are pastors. Pastor is some kind of a religious leader so let's say pastors have their flocks, which means their people. So pastors, they support, care about their flock, and usually they're leaders of their own churches, where they perform different kind of, let's say, tasks with delivering messages, just like preachers. But mostly it is about caring about people and supporting them. And you can also say that possibly some of them people in the need of something, and pastors can help them with it. And pastors, just like preachers, can be both men and women. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.